How to see all the answers in Google Form. Now, first things first, the one that is currently showing in your screen right now is just a side of an example. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up that link in which you'll have to answer that specific form. So it has to be either multiple choices, checkboxes, a drop down, or any kinds of questions that needs answering. Now open up docs.google.com/forms or just simply access the link which you will be answering from. What you want to do next is just to right click on an empty space from Google Form and head over to View Page Source. Then go back to your Google Form, copy the specific question, go back to View Page Source, and then just Control F, and then simply paste the specific question that you have copied from Google Form. Now, once the question is being highlighted, all I have to do beside that value is just gonna tell you the right answers. And that's it. That's how you view all the answers in Google Form.